Bwana mukuru Xavier Kayondo abandize kwebembera ekitambo kya misa ekitandikiro mukoro gw'Abashomiire ah'ishomero rya Kitagwenda High School okwo murundu gwa kabiri.
I pray as Jesus offered the same prayer, may they be one. And the people who come after us also be one. Or straight go through the constitution. My biggest interest always of the preamble. What is inspiring these people to redefend themselves that they used to be in this school? Common need is education standards for our people. Those of us who are meant to where our desires were must not forget that our young people are still craving and crying.
Ubwa nyuma y'ekitambo kya misa habiriho urukiko rw'omwaka rwo kutorana abebembeza basya hamwe no kutongoza basari scheme ehuriro yo kushashurira abeegi abatarikwebasa okurigerera ahari Andrew Karetwa otwira chairman w'Abashomiire ah'ishomero eri nagira ngu ehuriro ekatandika omwaka oguhwire n'abaana 10.
Yokererwa y'uburundi y'ubweshongwa narogu bere bisbitere esini ya fayo na waye tarapo y'ubweshongwa
For every D1 ni kweme twadi ezori yozona.
The procedure is to look at the economic status of the family. Basically, you look at the economic, and how do you look at the economic status? You look at the homestead environment. Do the parents have an income? Are they government civil servants or they are peasants? Do they have a permanent house? Do they have like a perennial garden, like coffee? Do they have cows? Do they have goats around? What about the siblings? Are they also going to school? Is this child in school or he has already dropped out? So this is the criteria that we used, and we designed a form which the data collectors would use to fill, and these forms were brought back to us and we used the forms to enroll.
Mukuru w'ishomero eri Prosper Tinkamanyire atuhamize ngo ishomero eri rikaba ryakize enkoma hansi ngo kandi umwaka oguhwire abirayi n'abaana batarikwika 3 bitati embera ngo etandikire kuhinduka.
Bine bigenderwa byabo ebyabaresere buri na nebyabareta hati bine omuhimbo muhango kugira ngo ishomero eri yagaruza ekitinwa cyaryo abakuru ishomero eri obwa hati rakaba ryishomero ruhango omukurebera omunamba y'abana bakukira abana 10 konka biza bagumana bagaruka hansi yabwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe hati bariyo kandi bagaruka enamba netemba azebyo kimwe mukubeta no mukono gu abeegi Abashomiire aha barukutamu batirimo gukabizire omwaka
Gashakwa Timose Mushabe.